Hello, and welcome back to our daily English talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Roy. Didn't you know this is a place to practice listening and speaking with simple, real English?
Please help us by liking this video and subscribing. It means a lot to us.
Emma, today we are talking about something everyone does.
Oh, I like the sound of that. What is it?
Ordering food in English.
That is a very important topic. Everyone eats.
Yes, and ordering food can feel scary when English is not your first language.
Many learners worry about menus, servers, and saying the wrong thing.
But today, we will make it slow, easy, and comfortable.
Yes, just real conversations, no stress.
Let us imagine you are walking into a restaurant.
It can be a small restaurant, nothing fancy.
You open the door and walk inside.
A server may come to you and smile.
Hi, welcome.
Hi.
That is already enough to start.
You do not need long sentences.
The server may ask you a simple question.
Table for one?
Yes,
Or you can say, table for two?
very easy.
The server may show you to your seat.
Please follow me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you is always a good word.
Now you are sitting at the table.
The menu is in front of you.
The server may ask, can I get you something to drink?
Water, please.
Very common choice.
You can also say, can I have water, please?
Or you can order another drink.
I would like a soda.
Sure. Short and clear.
Now let us talk about looking at the menu.
You may need some time.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet.
That is okay.
You can also say, I need a few minutes.
Very polite.
After some time, the server comes back.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Simple answer.
Now, let us talk about ordering food.
You can order in many simple ways.
For example, I would like a burger.
Or, can I get the chicken sandwich?
Both are natural.
Let us imagine a real order.
I would like a burger, please.
Okay.
That is all you need.
The server may ask a follow-up question.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Or you can say, no, thank you.
Both are polite.
Sometimes the server asks how you want your food.
How would you like your burger? Medium, please.
Short answer is fine.
If you do not understand, it is okay.
You can ask, sorry, can you repeat that?
Sure. Asking for help is normal.
Now let us talk about simple questions you can ask. What do you recommend?
The burger is very popular.
Very useful question.
You can also ask, is this spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
Clear answer.
Now let us imagine a longer conversation.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a burger, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink?
Water, please.
Okay.
That is a full basic order.
Ordering food does not need perfect English.
Simple words work.
Speaking slowly is okay.
Servers are used to many accents.
Let us talk about confidence.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
What matters is being polite and clear.
In part 1 today, we talked about
Entering a restaurant,
talking to the server,
getting drinks,
looking at the menu,
ordering food.
simple questions.
In part 2, we will talk about ordering more food, special requests, and checking your order.
Yes, real situations that happen all the time.
Welcome back. In part 2, we stay at the restaurant and continue the real experience.
Yes. Now we talk about ordering more food, special requests, and checking your order.
These moments happen very often, and the English is simple.
Let us imagine the server comes back to the table.
Is everything okay so far?
Yes, thank you.
That is a very common question.
And a very easy answer.
Sometimes you want to order more food.
You do not need to feel shy. Can I also get a salad?
Sure.
The word also is very useful.
Yes, it helps you add items easily.
You can also say, and a soup, please.
Short and clear.
Now let us talk about special requests.
Sometimes you want food a little different.
No onions, please.
Okay.
Very common.
You can also say, no cheese, please.
Or sauce on the side, please.
These are polite requests.
If you have allergies, you can say it simply. I am allergic to nuts.
Okay, thank you for telling me.
Clear and important.
Sometimes you want to change your order.
It is okay if the food is not ready yet. Sorry, can I change my order?
Sure. What would you like?
Starting with sorry sounds polite.
Yes, people understand.
Now let us talk about checking your order.
The server may repeat it. So that is 1 burger and fries?
Yes, that is right.
Very simple confirmation.
If something is wrong, you can say it calmly. Sorry, I ordered a chicken sandwich.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will fix that.
Polite and calm works best.
Now let us talk about waiting for food.
Waiting is normal.
Your food will be ready soon.
Okay, thank you.
Very polite.
You can also ask if you are not sure. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Short and clear.
Now let us talk about food arriving at the table.
The server brings the food.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Always say thank you.
You can check your food quickly. This looks good.
Enjoy your meal.
Very natural.
Now let's talk about if something is missing. Stay calm.
Sorry, I didn't get my fries.
Oh, sorry. I will bring them.
Problems happen. This is normal.
Now let us imagine a full middle conversation. Is everything okay?
Yes, but can I also get a salad?
Of course.
And no onions, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
That sounds very real. Ordering food is not about perfect grammar.
It is about clear and polite communication.
Short sentences are enough.
Being kind makes everything easier.
In part 2, we talked about ordering more food,
Special requests,
allergies,
changing orders,
checking orders.
waiting for food.
In part 3, we will talk about eating the meal, small talk with the server, and asking for the bill.
Yes, the last steps of the restaurant experience.
Welcome back. In part 3, we are eating our meal now.
Yes, this part is about enjoying the food, small talk with the server, and speaking politely during the meal.
These moments are relaxed and very natural.
Let us imagine the food is on the table.
You take your first bite.
This is good.
I'm glad you like it.
Simple words are enough to share how you feel.
The server may come back to check on you.
How is everything?
It is good, thank you.
Very common restaurant talk.
You can also say, everything is great.
Or, it is delicious. Now, let us talk about small talk with the server.
Small talk is short and friendly.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Short answers are perfect.
You can also hear, do you like the food?
Yes, very much.
Polite and friendly.
Now, let us talk about asking for something during the meal.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Can I have some more water? Very polite request.
You can also ask for more napkins.
Or, more sauce, please.
Now, let us talk about problems during the meal.
Problems are rare, but they happen.
Sorry, this is cold.
I'm sorry, I'll fix it.
Calm and polite language helps.
You can also say, "This is not what I ordered."
I am sorry about that.
Restaurants want to help.
Now, let us talk about eating slowly and relaxing.
You do not need to rush.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Very friendly.
Now, let us talk about compliments.
Compliments are kind words.
The food is very good.
Thank you.
Simple and kind.
You can also say, the service is great.
Servers like to hear this.
Now, let us talk about finishing the meal.
You feel full.
I am full.
Me too.
Very natural.
The server may ask, "Would you like dessert?"
No, thank you.
Polite refusal.
Or you can say, yes, please.
Now, let us imagine a longer eating conversation. How is everything?
It is very good.
Can I get you anything else?
More water, please.
Of course.
Very realistic.
Eating at a restaurant is about comfort.
Speaking calmly makes it easier.
You do not need perfect English.
Being polite is enough.
In part 3, we talked about talking during the meal, small talk with the server, asking for things, fixing small problems, compliments, finishing the meal.
In part 4, we will talk about asking for the bill, paying, tipping, and leaving the restaurant politely.
Yes, the final part of ordering food in English. Welcome back. This is the final part of our restaurant conversation.
Yes. In part 4, we talk about asking for the bill, paying, tipping, and leaving the restaurant politely.
These are the last steps, and the English is very simple.
Let us imagine you finished your meal.
The plates are empty. You feel full and relaxed.
That was good.
Yes, it was.
A calm ending to a nice meal.
Now you are ready to pay.
You want the bill.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I have the bill, please?
Very polite.
You can also say, "Can we get the check, please?"
Both are natural.
The server brings the bill to the table.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Always say thank you.
Now let us talk about looking at the bill.
You can take your time.
Is everything correct?
Yes, it looks good.
Simple and calm.
If something is not right, stay polite.
Sorry, I think there's a mistake.
Oh, sorry, let me check.
Problems can be fixed easily.
Now let us talk about paying.
The server may ask a question.
How would you like to pay?
Card, please. Or you can say, "Cash, please."
If you pay by card, the server may say, please tap your card here.
Okay.
Very easy.
Sometimes the server asks about the receipt.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Or, no thank you.
Both are polite.
Now let us talk about tipping.
In some places, people leave a tip.
You do not need long sentences.
Should we leave a tip?
Yes, a small tip is fine.
Simple decision.
You do not need to talk to the server about the tip.
You just leave it. Now let us talk about saying goodbye.
Saying goodbye is polite and friendly.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Very kind words.
You can also say, have a nice day.
You too.
Simple and warm.
Now let us talk about leaving the restaurant.
You stand up and walk to the door.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Friendly ending.
Now let us imagine a full ending scene. I finished my meal. I asked for the bill politely. I checked it and paid by card. I left a small tip. I said thank you to the server. I walked out of the restaurant feeling relaxed and happy.
That is a complete restaurant experience.
Now let us talk about confidence one last time.
Ordering food in English does not need perfect sentences.
Simple words and a polite tone are enough.
Servers are there to help you.
Everyone eats out.
Everyone makes small mistakes.
Now let us review what we learned in this series.
We learned how to enter a restaurant.
We learned how to order food and drinks.
We learned how to make requests and fix small problems.
We learned how to enjoy the meal and talk politely.
And we learned how to pay and leave kindly.
This is real restaurant English for beginners.
Slow, easy, and natural.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of you for practicing.
Enjoy your next meal.
And enjoy speaking English.
We will talk with you again soon.